Hello everyone, well, like 'em or loathe 'em, it's another shark to look at today. This is a shark corded vacuum with anti-hair wrap, and this is the pet model. I'll put all the details of the particular model number below this video. So this model is NZ850UKT. T normally denotes true pet, which means it's got the mini pet turbo tool. Okay, without any further ado, I'll take everything out of the box. There'll be some assembly required, and then we'll have a closer look at this shark upright. Okay folks, here's everything out of the box. I'd like to point out that Shark have very environmentally friendly packaging. It's all cardboard and paper, so all the individual parts are wrapped in paper bags instead of plastic ones. So that's a thumbs up to Shark for their environmentally friendly recyclable packaging. Okay, so everything is out of the box. It's all in bits, but it'll only take me a moment to assemble the vacuum cleaner. I'll just show you everything we get with this particular model. First of all, we get this upholstery brush. You can remove the brush, so that's ideal for your curtains, your soft furnishings, etc. And if you want to do any more delicate dusting, you can attach relatively soft brush and you can dust your lampshades, do tops of shelving, that sort of thing. I wouldn't use it on my TV screen. It's not quite that soft, but it is fairly soft, but it can be used on a lot of delicate surfaces. You also get the Crevice Tool, of course, for your nooks and crannies. Being the pet version, we also get this mini turbo tool with the anti-hair wrap blades instead of brushes. So that's ideal for cleaning pet hair off your upholstery, off your bed, off your pet bed, anywhere in fact. It's also good inside the car. Onto the cleaner itself, we get the wand, which also forms part of the handle, the powered hose that also incorporates the on-off switch and the adjustable suction settings. This is Shark's DuoClean head with a soft roller at the front and the anti-hair wrap brush roll at the back. And finally, this is your main suction unit, which obviously incorporates the suction motor, the filters, and of course the dirt bin. The first thing we need to do is insert the wand into the DuoClean head. Make sure that the Shark logo is at the front, and you just push the wand down until it clicks. Next we need to fit the suction pod to the wand, so just locate it at the bottom first, slide it down, and you'll know when it's properly inserted because you'll hear a click, and when you go to lift the machine it should lift up without the pod coming away. But of course when you want to release the pod for lift off mode, you press the button on the top and it comes away. So we'll just pop that back. Next, fit the handle into the top of the wand. Simply insert it and press it down until it clicks. To complete assembly, we need to insert the hose into the suction pod. Do it with the hose release button uppermost. Just slide it in, press it until it's clicked firmly into position. If you need to remove the hose, for example to check for a blockage, you just press the hose release button and the hose comes out as easy as that. To secure the hose, push it into the back of the wand like this. The 8-meter mains cable stores on the hooks on the side of the cleaner. To secure the plug end, simply clip it to the cable. The Crevice Tool and upholstery brush store on the back of the cleaner. So here we have the cleaner fully assembled and ready for its first use. To release the cable, the top hook turns down and all the cable comes away. And then you can turn the top hook back up if you want to. There's also a little groove at the top enabling you to secure the cable to keep it out of the way. To lower the handle to the operating position, simply place your foot either side of the cleaner head and pull the handle back. Switch the cleaner on using the thumb operated on-off switch and select the surface you're cleaning using the slide control. Regular viewers of my channel will know the difficulty I'm having finding a vacuum cleaner that can clean this Saxony plush pile carpet. Now, a lot of the machines will work on this pile, but I have to use them on minimum setting or with the suction relief valve completely open, which means I'm not getting such a deep clean. Now, with this Shark, there is different settings, as you saw. There's a hard floor setting, there's a carpet low pile setting, and there's also a thick carpet area rug setting. So for this part of the demonstration, I have used it on the thick carpet / area rug setting. On that setting, it reduces the suction at the floor head, but the DuoClean brush roll still rotates at maximum speed. So even though I'm having to reduce the suction when cleaning this carpet, I still feel that this Shark is doing a good job. It's certainly grooming the pile, and it seems to be picking up the dirt. I've only cleaned a small area of this carpet that was vacuumed yesterday, but I notice there is dirt in the dirt bin. So to remove the bin, you just press the bin release button, and we can see, I think we can see, I'll open it. First of all, there's a lot of fine dust that this cleaner's picked up. Couldn't see any dirt on the carpet, didn't put any dirt down, and also it's quite a bit of hair. And again, I couldn't see that on the carpet. The carpet looked relatively clean. There was a few little bits on it, but nothing major. But it's absolutely worked very, very well. I'm pretty impressed so far with this machine. It's certainly better than another Shark cleaner I tested fairly recently without the DuoClean brush roll. That particular machine was very, very difficult to push on this carpet, even on a reduced suction. So if you've got a Saxony or plush pile carpet like this with a little bit more pile than a short pile carpet, I would go for a DuoClean brush roll Shark, especially one with the suction control with the area rug setting, because so far I'm pretty pleased with this. This could be a machine I could use around my home. Most of my carpets are of a shorter pile, so I'll be able to use it on the higher suction setting. But for my living room, which is the largest room in my house, I'll also be able to use this machine. I just slide the suction control to the reduced suction setting. And obviously when I move into my kitchen to clean a hard floor, there is a hard floor setting as well. That uses the maximum suction, but it reduces the speed of the brush roll so it's not scattering dirt. I'll do a full demo of this machine on carpets and hard floors at a later date. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with this Shark. With the bin removed, you can see the first PreMotor filter. Shark recommend you clean this filter and the filter underneath it once a month. So this is a sponge filter. It simply lifts out. Clean that in running water. You're not supposed to use detergent according to the instructions. Clean it, squeeze it out, leave it to dry, 24 hours, and it should be okay to put back in the machine. There's also a felt filter underneath. Again, that needs washing once a month. And again, of course, make sure it is dry before placing it back. It's always a good idea, if you use your vacuum a lot, to buy a set of spare filters so you can swap them over when you're washing and drying one pair. You can pop the other pair in. So those filters fit there, and as I said, once a month is what Shark recommend to keep those filters clean. And you'll see the filter every time you empty the machine. You'll see that that will start to get quite grubby fairly quickly. So it is a good idea to keep your filters clean to maintain the suction. There is another filter on this cleaner, which is here, the exhaust filter located behind this silver grille. To access the filter, put the cleaner into the horizontal position, and then there's a little silver button on the top. Just press that in and you can remove the filter grill, and now we've got access to the HEPA filter. To remove the filter, you simply press on the tab at the top and the filter comes away. Shark recommend you wash this filter once a year and replace it every 3 years. But you shouldn't have to look at this filter very often at all. But as I said, after a year of use, just take the filter out and give it a clean, again under running water. You will find it's probably quite black. That's due to the carbon dust that the electric motor produces. So give it a thorough rinse through, shake it, and again leave it 24 hours before you place it back into the machine. So this locates at the bottom, push it forward until it clicks, and then we can slide the grill back on, again push it down until it clicks into position. I've always thought the LiftAway function on Shark upright cleaners to be a very good idea, and especially for cleaning stairs and cleaning the car. Instead of taking the whole machine outside, you can just take the suction pod with the hose and accessory attached. When Shark introduced their powered LiftAway, I was blown away, because now you can clean under low furniture with the motorised head still running. Previous Shark models didn't have powered LiftAway and you didn't have the rotating brush, so you could still clean under your low furniture, but not the same deep clean as you get when using it in upright mode. This is a larger Shark machine, but it's still a fairly lightweight pod. So for using it on stairs, I'd recommend removing the wand. There's a little button here at the back. Just press that in and you can take the handle off, and then all the accessories will fit directly onto the end of the handle like so. But obviously if you want a groomed appearance and a deeper clean, with the pet version we've got the anti-hair wrap turbo tool. With the pet power brush attached to the end of the hose, you can easily remove clinging pet hair from your upholstered furniture, stair carpeting and pet bedding. The anti-hair wrap design of the nozzle ensures all the hairs go into the cleaner. The pet hair turbo nozzle is ideal for cleaning stairs, but if you want to give your stairs a really deep clean, it is possible to connect the DuoClean head directly to the end of the handle. So to do that, simply remove whatever accessory is on the end of the hose. We need to take off the wand. There is a wand release button here, so press that in and the wand springs free. And then now we can put the handle directly into the DuoClean head. Just push it until it clicks. And now you can give your stairs a really deep clean. In fact, I'd recommend the first time you use your new Shark, use it on your stairs first before you clean your carpets. Set it up like this with a DuoClean head directly on the handle and just see how much deep down dirt is in your stairs. And that will be especially relevant if you've just used a little handheld machine on your stairs or just a suction cleaner, because stairs don't often get a really good brushing and beating action that you'll get from a head like this. So you can control it, obviously switch the machine on. If you need to adjust the suction, you can reduce it, as I've done on my plush pile carpet. If you've got short pile carpet on your stairs, which most people will have, you can use the full suction and then turn it on. And you'll be able to get a really deep clean. Now obviously it's going to be quite heavy and awkward to use, but I wouldn't recommend you could do this on your stairs all the time you clean your stairs. I mean, maybe once a month, treat your stairs to a really deep clean. But as I said, especially when you first get this machine, try this out and you'll be amazed at the dirt that comes out of your stair carpets. But for regular weekly cleans or twice weekly cleans, then the regular turbo brush or the upholstery nozzle will be fine. You can I'd use it without the brush on the stairs. But also when you want to clean the stairs, don't forget the risers. Most people forget that when cleaning stairs. They'll do the treads. Obviously the treads will have the most dirt on, but the risers will have dirt and dust on that gathers. So you can use this nozzle on the risers of your stairs as well. Obviously it's going to be a lot lighter to use with this nozzle. But as I said, for an occasional deep clean of your stairs, there's nothing better than getting the DuoClean brush roll and giving your stairs a thorough clean. Well, that's about the end of my first look of this Shark powered LiftAway upright cleaner. I've tested many Shark machines throughout the years, and I think this is going to be my favourite upright cleaner so far. Obviously Shark are continually developing their machines, so I might find one I prefer to this, but so far, all things considered, I like this upright cleaner the best, and I'm sure it's going to perform very well in my home. I will be doing a performance demonstration of this machine in action, and I might even use it for a whole month during my Vacuum of the Month series, and we can have a look at how the filters fare after a month of regular use. But it's certainly first impressions, it's a thumbs up from me. If you want to check out all the other shark cleaners I've had a look at, there is a shark vacuum cleaner playlist on my channel, so you can see all the machines I've tested so far. But yeah, first impressions, very good. I'm very happy that it works well on this plush pile carpet, and I think it's going to perform very well throughout the rest of my home on carpets and hard floors. If you have any comments or questions about this shark, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified of all my new uploads. So until the next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.